Now, let's see what comes with your new hearing aids. Silicone domes, a pack of filters. Filters keep the wax out so sound stays clear. Chargers work with a USB-C cord or a standard wall outlet. Keep your hearing aids clean and safe on the go. And a handy guide, but your audiologist will tailor everything, so some steps may differ. Now you know exactly what to expect when you buy.